Here we go, guys. Another review. I know it's an orange box. These I had to order online due to quarantine. So today we got the Nike React Phantom Run FK2. Don't know what FK2 stands for, but we're gonna find out later in this video. Let's go. Let's get right into it. Drum roll, please. Boom. Ooh. What in the Vans? Looking, oh, this is sick. Oh, wow. Now, does this look like an Adidas Boost? Like, I know all y'all, I've never had an Adidas. I've had one pair of Boosts, but that was a long time ago, guys. Not a fan of the orange box, I will say that. So this one does have to go overboard. Damn, I guess it's meant to be. Okay, so right off the bat, wow, it's a really, it looks like an Adidas, but with Nike emblems. It's a very light shoe, given the fact that it has a piece of cardboard in there. So let's see how the shoe looks without the piece of cardboard, giving it the form that it needs. Will it go overboard? Yes, it did. Okay, so let's start off with the shoe. The top here feels like a backpack. So like a JanSport backpack, like the little zipper pocket. That's what you're feeling here. Here, this feels like the VaporMax 2 back when they had the little laces on there, like the little what are they called? These things, whatever these things are. And then this looks like when you cut a shirt, like when you cut like a shirt to go sleeveless. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look good at all, even though you can see. Nah, it doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. In the back, it has the Phantom. Looking at the side of the shoe, it's got this like cushion, like the Next Fly Percent, whatever that thing's called. Yeah, y'all guys already know. Big Nike and a big React. Oh, so these are the Nike Reacts, I guess. Pop off. Bottom, we got the Michelin tire right here. You know, you gotta have grip on the road. Here, I don't know what this is. This is new technology. But anyways, let's throw them on the feet and show you guys how they look. Pretty overall running shoe. Don't like the box it's in, but other than that, it looks like it's you know, it's a running shoe. It looks really nice. Let's see how they look on the feet. Give you a front view, side view, back view, and the back view. You guys are getting first-hand review. Basically, to put it on, there's like 2 loops here. I know you guys know how to put a shoe on, but when these are there, these helpers, why are you gonna struggle? All you're gonna do is pull, slide your feet sideways. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I'm not gonna say anything. Let me put the other one on. Not gonna say anything and ruin it for you guys. Hold on. Ooh. Let's see. Oh man. This is why I wear VaporMax, man. But we gonna see right now. Alright guys, so this is how they look on the feet. Honest impression about the shoes, they're nice. I have a wider foot, so here it feels like I'm kind of overboard. Like if you notice in this area, this base here on the bottom, it's too thin, so it looks like I might roll an ankle here. But overall look, it looks clean, you know? They are runner shoes, so, but maybe I need to get adjusted to them. They don't compare. how to take these off. We'll probably do overall like final impression once I go work out and run with it in about 2, maybe 3 days, maybe even a week, and I'll tell you guys whether they're worth it or not. This is a general review, guys. So as promised, I would be giving you guys a review, not a review, but on what kind of food I eat during this shredding phase that I'm in. If you guys don't know what shredding is, basically it's like dropping weight so like you look lean. You know, I'm still a far away, how do you say that? I'm a good ways out, like I'm still far away from my goal, but you guys are gonna start like slowly but surely start seeing some gains in this channel. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. Here I'm just gonna show you guys how I prep my chicken. Well, I already prepped it all, that's for another video, but this is the chicken I will be cooking up today, grilling, and we're gonna be having this with vegetables and maybe some rice. I'm thinking about skipping it, but first you gotta let it heat up to about 600. So we're just gonna let it, so had to throw on my trusty Vapor Maxes. Main thing you guys want to look at is this little thing here. So you kind of want to keep it 5 minutes cooking without opening it. So make sure you set that timer up, which I haven't done that, so I'm gonna put it for 2 minutes. It's been like 4 minutes, I think. But you don't want to let it get to past, you almost want to have it like between 350 and 450. You kind of want to have 450. Once it starts getting to the 500 range, you're at risk of like burning the chicken. So this is part of like the process, guys. But I got my onions here. Onions raise testosterone. I got my potatoes up here. Potatoes is a starch. I don't know what's going on with that potato there. That looks like the coronavirus potato. Does it not look like coronavirus? We need to get this potato tested, guys. But anyways, I got my little. Is onion a vegetable or a fruit? Comment down below, and I will send you guys some chicken. Maybe. I don't think you guys would want chicken, but you see, mainly we could tell that it's not ready because it's not liquidy on top. You want it to have like a liquid on the top of the chicken. And then this is just like lemon juice. So I use lemon juice. I'll do a video on it so you guys can see how I cook my chicken. Alright guys, so it's time to flip our chicken. Mainly what you're gonna do, I feel like I shouldn't be teaching you guys this, but you're gonna grab your little tweezers. You're gonna flip it because it's time now. As you can see now, it's starting to get crispy. I might have burned it, but all you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna gauge it. You're gonna be like, you see, that's what you want. You see that liquid right there? Oh my god. Maybe olive oil. Maybe you should spray a little Spam oil on the grill. Maybe. Now this is organic chicken breast. You could get the chicken breast that they have at the markets, that's fine. This was just on sale, you know. As weird as it is, organic chicken breast was on sale. Don't ask why, I don't know. But you see, you want your chicken to almost look like this one right here. So like these are gonna need another flip. Get your reps in.